How's everybody doing today? This is just a short video to go over some homework hints for your data entry screen's homework. Your data entry screen's homework is based on the SwimMeet database. If I go to Database Tools Relationships, I can see this is a relational database. It's got 4 different tables. So we are going to build a data entry screen for each table. Your swimmer's data entry screen should have 2 combo boxes. Since I have 2 fields which have a limited number of correct entries. For my gender, I just have male and female. For my swimmer level, I just have varsity and modified. So those are your 2 combo boxes. Make sure for all of your data entry forms you have a label which describes the data entry form. That's supposed to be in font size 22. Color is red, and the font is Times New Roman. Also, there's a picture available to you in the download, and I'd like you to put the picture in each data entry screen. The next one you can build is results. Now, your results data entry screen has a lot of combo boxes because it has a lot of foreign keys. I've got meet ID, swimmer ID, and event ID, which are all foreign keys. For your meet ID, I'd like it to have the ID, the date, and the location. Now remember, with my ID fields, I always hide them, but they're still there. For swimmer ID, I want to have the first name, the last name, and the ID. And for the event ID, I just need the ID and the event description. So that's what this data entry screen should look like. Still has the picture, still has the label. We've got one for meets. Now your meets data entry screen doesn't require any combo boxes, but it's still got the label and the picture, and your events data entry screen. Now, just a couple other hints. If you remember, when you have a field with a limited number of correct entries, like gender and swimmer level, you type in these values yourself. When you go to build a combo box, you have a choice at the very beginning. It asks you, do you want to look up these values in another table, or do you want to type them in yourself? You are going to have to type these ones in yourself. Don't try to go to another table. For your results one, though, it's different. You are going to go to another table to get your meet ID, to get your swimmer ID, and to get your event ID, because these are all foreign keys. Anyhow, at this point you got a good idea what this whole thing is supposed to look like. Remember, you've got one data entry screen for each table, and each data entry screen I have has all the fields in the table. For example, if I go to the swimmer's data entry screen and I go to the swimmer's table, I have all the fields in the swimmer's table are included in the swimmer's data entry screen. So anyhow, hopefully these homework hints are helpful, and we'll see you next time.